Look at this. It is a common fish.
Goodbye.
Look at this. It is an eel. Look at this. It is a silver raspbora fish. Look at this. It is a common fish.
Uh-oh.
Look at this. It is a goldfish. Look at this. It is a snow white fish. Look at this. It is a koi fish.
Oh no!
Look at this. It is a goldfish. Look at this. It is a common fish.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. And everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to
Look at this. It is a goldfish.
Which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play,
yummy, yummy.
laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school. And so the teacher turned it out, turned it out, turned it out. And so the teacher turned it out, but still it lingered near and waited patiently about, patiently about, and waited
Look at this. Is this a goldfish?
Uh-oh.
Look at this. Is this a boomfish? Look at this. Is this a common fish? Look at this. Is this a snow white fish?
Oh no.
Look at this. Is this a silver raspora fish? Look at this. Is this a zebra cichlid fish? Look at this. Is this a goldfish? Look at this. Is this a goldfish? Look at this. Is this a jaguar cichlid fish?
Mmm, yummy, yummy.
Look at this. This is tilapia fish.
Bye bye.